Hey, 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 what is going on? What is going on, everybody? Everybody, welcome back for another Kneel for Money video presentation. Okay, I like a little music in the background when I'm working. So, now, today, I'm bringing to y'all yet another way that you guys can make some extra money or just money. Okay? Now, check it out. I understand that a lot of people are skeptical, as you should be. You should be skeptical because there's a lot of nefarious shit going on. Okay, there's a lot of things going on that are unscrupulous, unsafe. There's a lot of identity theft is at an all-time high. Okay, and it's so sad. People are having their whole life savings just snatched away from them. Okay, this identity theft is horrible, so it puts a lot of fear in a lot of people when it comes to working online or when it comes to just being trustworthy about certain things, certain issues, or whatever have you. But I'm here to tell y'all this. I've been doing this right now, working online, referral marketing, affiliate marketing, MML, internet marketing. I have been doing it now for close to 5 years, okay? As many of you know, I used to have my own storefront in Brooklyn, New York. All right, when I lived out there, I had a storefront out there for a long time. Big up the cast and the whole St. Mark's crew. All right, but anyway, enough with that. Yeah, I have my own storefront business, you heard? But listen, a lot of times I would hear the snickers. People would say little things like, what kind of money you gonna make? Oh, she ain't making no money selling hats and socks and t-shirts and things like that. That ain't no real money. That ain't no real job. I still get it. I still get that. That what I do ain't a real job. But let me tell you something. What I do keeps me clean, keeps me dressed well, keeps me fed well, and it keeps a roof over my head. And look, the lights are on. Okay? So even though I may not have the keys to the kingdom, or I may not be living in a mansion or an empire, I have a nice home and I'm doing all right. And I'm able to spend more time doing the things I love to do. Enjoy the fruits of life. Enjoy the fruits of my labor. I'm able to help my family and my close friends out a little more when they need a little help. Okay, I can't do it all the time, but I'm able to do it more than I'm not able to do it. Put it like that. Okay? And I do that all from the income I make working right here in the comfort of my home. See, we're trained to think that in order to be somebody or in order to make something substantial in life, money wise, monetary wise, you got to be going and punching a clock every day. Okay? You know where my office is? In my home. You know what I wear to work if I want to? Slippers and pajamas. Okay? And I watch shows like the RV shows, and I was seeing all these young people like in their 20s and in their 30s. I'm not just talking about white people, I'm talking about white, black, Native American, Asian, Hispanic, young people going out here buying $500,000 RVs, $30,000 RVs, and just living on the road. And you look at what they do. When you see their when you see their occupation, internet marketing, blogging. So I started saying, you know what? Look at these young people out here. They making it. They know what it's about. And now I know what it's about. And that's when I said, you know what? I ain't punching no clock no more. Fuck everybody want to laugh, want to snicker. See, that's what you've been trained to do. That's what we all been trained to do. And that's learned behavior. To believe you got to slave yourself in order to make a decent living. But I'm here to try to show y'all what I've been doing for the past 4 or 5 years and how I've been getting along. And I'm trying to pass it on because I want to see my people come up. It's time for us to come up out of poverty. Get from the bottom of the totem pole and move up from the bottom of the totem pole, okay? Forget about all the Kobe's y'all looking at, the King James y'all looking at, the Gucci Mans y'all looking at, and whoever else y'all looking at. We are still at the bottom. So I'm just trying to teach y'all how to get a little bit closer to getting the keys to the kingdom. That's all. I don't have it, but I can show you how to get a little closer. Okay, I can show you how to make $1 out of 15 cents. If you need it, listen, click the link. Click this link, because by clicking this link, let me tell you something, this is a free app. You're going to click the link, my link, and it's going to take you straight to the Google Play Store. You're going to download this link. And me, what I do is I use an old phone, okay? See, this is an old phone. I started figuring out and finding out how people was really making all this money. So here's an old phone. Here's an old phone. So what I do is I took all these old phones and I turned them into money phones. See, they advertise Candy Crush, Panda Pop, Candy Saga, and all that shit all day long on social media and even on TV, because they don't want you to play shit like this that's going to actually pay you. This app right here has been paying people now for some time. Over $1 million in payments. I ain't talking about play money, Monopoly, but I'm talking about cash money, like right here. Let me show y'all this. Not this one. This is another business I'm going to show y'all, but not right now. We're going to get into that, okay? Let me go right here to my PayPal, all right? I want to log into my PayPal because I just want y'all to see that, yeah, it's real. The money is real, and y'all can get it too. If you just copycat me and follow what I do. Okay, so boom, this is my PayPal, right? This is my PayPal account. Now check this out. This ain't all my PayPal money, but I left a little something on my PayPal card in my PayPal account because I knew I was going to do this video and I wanted y'all to see that the money is real. We do actually make real money. Now this, I made this just from sharing that link and a small portion of it from another app that I'm going to show y'all, okay? But this is 2 apps that I downloaded on my phone, and within 2 weeks, this is what I made. Within 2 weeks' time, this is what I made just from some shit I downloaded on my phone. Excuse my language, okay? But just from something I downloaded on my phone. And I'm telling you, it's been around for a minute, but nobody knew about it because they don't tell us about this. They advertising Candy Crush and Panda Pop and all that other stuff that ain't gonna do nothing for us, okay? Because they want to keep your attention diverted away from the real deal, which is going out there and becoming successful and making something and learning how to make $1 out of 15 cents. You see what I'm saying? They already know the secret to this. They already knew these things were out there, but I myself just stumbled upon this like a month ago. Today is the 10th. Happy birthday to my baby boy Pootie Poo. He's 11 years old today, y'all. My man Pootie Poo, happy birthday. But anyway, moving on from that. I'll answer that. I'm not going to answer that right now. Okay, moving on from that, getting right back to this because I'm going to end this video. It's not going to be too long. Check this out. Click on the link. Click on the link. Download the app. Use an old phone. Like I showed y'all, I use mad old phones. Turn them into money phones. All of these phones right now, there's apps on every one of these phones. Let me show y'all this real quick. Okay, let me log out of this so y'all see that. And what I do is I transfer my money to my bank account. Okay, that's what I do. This is my bank down here, but I ain't going to let y'all see my bank numbers. And I'm not going to pull up my bank account, but that's what I usually do. Transfer my money to my bank account, okay? So I'm logged out of that. Now let's come down here, open this up. Check this out. When you download the app and you do all the requirements, and they are all so simple. Let me show you right now, okay? Let's go feature points. Earn. See? Look at my screen. All y'all gotta do is, I hit that button. Sorry. All y'all gotta do is These apps down here are mostly games. They want you to download these games, play them, run them for about 2 minutes. Sometime they're going to ask you to reach a certain level in the game. But that's all you got to do. Oh my goodness, hold on, somebody at my door. Hold on for a minute. Okay, so we back. So yeah, excuse me for that. Okay. Anyway, what you're going to do, guys, is you are going to download. I keep hitting that button. I'm so sorry. I keep hitting that button. Let me move my hands down. Okay, this is good. Okay, so you're going to download every one of these. It's about 8 or 10. 8 or 10 apps they're going to want you to download. So this is why I use an old phone. I use an old phone because I don't want to use up all my storage. So I take one of my old phones. I do a factory reset, make sure the phone is fresh, new, got plenty of storage. I download every one of these apps. I do the requirements, which is so simple. Let me see. Let's check one out right now. Okay, let's check this out. Let's just click on one. Self-defense ultimate guide. My earning points is easy. 38 points, 19 points. Okay, download the app, use it for 2 minutes. That's it. That's all they want y'all to do with all of these apps, y'all. Check this out. All of these apps, okay, because we're going to get up out of here. That's, I can see, oh, here we go. Now, see that? All they want y'all to do with all these apps you're going to get, like I told y'all, is 8 or 9, right? Let me see. So 1, 2, 4, 6. What's that? 8. Okay, 8 apps. Download every one of these apps. Do the requirements. The requirements are so simple. Most of them say play the game or watch the app for 2 minutes. Or reach a certain level, 3, 5, 7, I don't know, whatever level they want y'all to reach, and just reach that level, get your points, do that with every one of them, and then when you finish doing that and you get your points, you get your points, delete the app to save the storage on your phone. That's what I do, okay? But get the points, do what it is they want y'all to do, because listen, this is how they get paid. This is advertising for them. They don't get paid unless we download these apps and use them, because they know that for out of every 10 people that click on your link and go and download the app and go through the process of downloading all these apps, at least 3 to 5 people are going to keep the app and utilize the app and share the app, and then they're going to get more people to download the app, and that's how the creators of the app make money. So this is advertising for them. So in order for them to get us to do this for them, they are willing to pay us. How much do they pay us? Let me show y'all. Okay, let's see. Here we go. This says share your link. Okay, let me click on earn more. Did I read that to y'all already? I don't know. Let me just click on it. Share your link and earn, refer friends and earn 50%. Share your link and earn, refer friends and earn 50% for life. This is my personal link. Don't try to copy my link. I mean, you could, but all that's going to happen is you're going to get me the 50%. But you can do this. It's so simple, y'all, and get your own link and make your own money, man. Come on. It's out here, and I'm bringing it to you, easy, free stuff, and you can make real money on this stuff. I done seen people that's making hundreds every day. Wouldn't you love to wake up to an email that say you just got another $5, another $10, another $20, another $30, another $50, another $100, and on and on and on and on and on. Read what it says, for life. For life. That means that until this app is no more, the computer is no more, the internet is no more, you can get paid with them. Okay? It ain't the keys to the kingdom, but it will sure enough get you a little closer. Okay? And it will make it will make $1 out of 15 cents. I don't know. I think that just threw me off. I was out there talking to my landlord, telling me some shit I don't want to know. I don't need to know. But anyway, that's the deal, y'all. Believe me, I'm your girl. I wouldn't steer you wrong. I love y'all. I want to see my people come up. You can do this. I believe in you. Click the link, and then you get paid. I get paid. The person that clicks your link gets paid. You get paid. They get paid. So on and so on and so on and so on and so on, and we all get paid. And that's how easy it is. So easy. I know y'all can't believe it because it sounds too good to be true, but I just showed you the proof it's real. See you. Peace. Click the link. Don't think about it. Click the link. I see you thinking. Click the link. Click the link. Click the link. I'm out.